Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to more NFT education, where we pretty much check out NFT projects and try to learn more about the evolving world of NFTs, right? So what I do is I find projects and I basically go over them. So today we're gonna cover the 8-Bit Champions NFT, all right? Now, 8-Bit Champions are a revolutionary collection of 8,888 unique NFTs. Your 8-Bit Champion grants you exclusive perks to the 88-Bit Arcade. So when you say arcade, that to me sounds like some more play to earn, which once again, if you're still confused on what NFTs are, they're not just pictures. A lot of the times these pictures get you something within another world. And when you start talking about value, then boom, value goes up when you can earn from something, right? So enjoy increased passive rewards and special power-ups. Oh, okay, so they confirm it in the arcade based on what items and attributes are attached to your NFT. Every NFT purchase has the chance for free merchandise with your specific NFT engraved. Oh, okay, well, let's see what that stuff looks like, all right? But first, 10 days remaining to launch, okay? Let's talk about how it works, all right? So they have this graphic. This is the pixelated style NFT that you probably see a lot. Let's talk about this health over here first, right? So the health, basically 20% is common, 40% is uncommon, 60% is rare, 80% is legendary, and then 100% is origin. So what it looks like to me is that they're doing their rarity based on a health attribute of a character, which is pretty dope. Health value determines rarity, right? Based on rarity, the reward multiplier increases for games played in the 8-Bit Arcade. So what this NFT seems to do is sort of give you a pass to a play to earn arcade, right? But let's talk more about how it works. First edition, all right? This signifies that this is the first edition of 8-Bit Champions NFT ever produced. Now, the weapon. These weapons are used by champions against foes in the Pixelverse. Will you be able to acquire all of the rarest weapons for your champion? So these weapons, right, there's starting to be different variables, different factors that play into these NFTs, all right? So let's talk about the items, right? Items give boosts in the 8-Bit Arcade. Different items unlock different bonuses depending on the game and item combinations. Bonuses include power boost, life recovery, point multiplier, time addition, and replay, right? So based on these items, and it's just like, I guess, any other game, based on these items, if you ever played Mario Kart, if you got the banana, you can throw the banana. You know, these items seem to have value within the game, all right? So now let's talk about the gold. Gold can be accumulated across all your NFTs. Redeem them for personalized merch with your NFT printed on them, right? So you get 10 gold, you get a t-shirt. You get 100 gold, you get a hoodie. You get 300 gold, you get a backpack. And that's in fine print right here, limited to the first owners only, all right? So if you was to resell this, the guy you sold it to wouldn't get this, all right? Now, 8 champions, 8 stories, 8 origins. These are all the different, I guess, elements and stuff like that. The different types of NFTs. I guess all of their NFTs are going to be different sort of spin-offs of these people, right? So let's look at that merch. Trade my NFT gold. Collect these NFTs, redeem their gold, and receive a piece of merchandise with your unique NFT only. Once again, first owners only. 10 gold for a t-shirt, 100 for a hoodie, 300 for a backpack. All right, and so you're gonna have your actual NFT on here. I remember there was a phase where people were wearing their @name on their shirts or whatever. So that's basically the gist of as far as how it works. Now I'm gonna join their Discord simply because I want to know some more information about this. Okay, so they having some motion in their Discord, all right? Let's go ahead and see if we can find that roadmap. There it is, all right? So the roadmap, 0%, the champions of the Pixelverse have arrived, the launch begins. 8%, tag us on Twitter with your champions. 16 random tweets will be selected for free phone case merch with your NFT printed on it. 32%, airdrop 8 champions to 8 random wallets. Follow 8-Bit Crypto on Instagram, post a picture of your champion and tag 8-Bit in the post. 64%. And I think it's dope that they're doing it in sort of multiples of 8. Seems like 8 is the main theme here, all right? 8 Ethereum airdrop, 0.5 Ethereum to 16 people, which 0.5 Ethereum to US dollars, that's about $1,900, $2,000, all right? So if sold out in 72 hours, then a 4 Ethereum airdrop, which would be 50 or 0.5 Ethereum to 8 people. And if sold out in a week, there's going to be 2 Ethereum, 0.25 Ethereum to 8 people whenever 64% is met and prior to is not met. All right, at 100% sold, 100K charity donation if sold out in 72 hours, 25K in a week, 10K whenever 100% is met and the prior to is not met. Also, for the top 3 people that refer the most people to the Discord, get a free NFT, all right? But, okay, so that sounds like a pretty good roadmap. They plan on basically just giving the funds back to the members, back to the community. But I'm interested in this game, okay? Because what this is a play to earn game, all right? And so you basically play this and you earn tokens. How do I play this? I don't know how to play this, but you earn tokens, you earn money, you earn crypto, right? That's pretty much how it's played, all right? So what I think is cool is, once again, this game, this is where I got that link from Twitter. So I think it's cool that they're sort of giving you a chance to play the game. I don't know how to play it, but I think it's cool that they're giving you a chance to play the game and win for a giveaway, right? So I'm gonna link this tweet down below if you're interested in that. So I will go ahead and link that below as well. So let me know what y'all think in the comments as far as this project. This is definitely something that I think, let's take a look at the collection. So I think this project, as far as when you talk about a play to earn arcade online, then once again, you're talking about an NFT that definitely has some value, okay? I did see in the Discord that it's gonna launch December 25th, right? For 0.04 Ethereum, right? And 0.04 Ethereum to US dollars is $153. So when you get into earning, that's actually not bad, bro. But anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.